Good morning. I'm Alfrancis B. Rivera. I'm applying for the role of MIG Mag Gitaw Ismaw Welder. I'm a Filipino, 27 years old. My religion, Roman Catholic. A residence of Benjamin Street, Villanueva Compound, Las Piñas City, Metro Manila. I'm a single. My dependents are my father, sister, and brother. My highest education is vocational. My vocational course is automotive, MIG, MAG, Gitaw, and Ismaw Welder. My total years of experience, 3 years in local and 2 years in abroad. My latest job is in Amante in Las Piñas City. I work as a machine operator. My previous job is Shin-A in Japan. I work as a reinforcement bar construction company. I repair a vehicle and I assemble the parts of the vehicle. I also change the parts of a vehicle of a Honda, Kawasaki, and Toyota. I want to work in Europe because to help my family financially, and I want to earn more knowledge. Thank you.